used to do music, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty good, dude.
Yeah, you forced me to listen to a lot of your stuff.
Check it out. Girl, you'll be a woman soon. Can't count all the ways to die for you, girl, and all I can say is she's not your type. Never been down to putting you down, and then have something not come around. What I'm gonna find? Don't let them make up your mind. Don't you know, girl?
That's
You'll be a woman soon.
Alright, so bought some targets. They are the exploding targets. They're called binary exploding targets, and we bought it from a company called Ironclad Targets up in Idaho.
Made in what? USA. Let's go. So I'm gonna attempt to do this with a iron sight and see how it goes. Well, that didn't go as I thought it would. Woo!
Nice.
Right.
Seems like it exploded louder than the last one.
Yeah, that was pretty good. You know, it's a good shot. Iron sight's not gonna do it. Don't, I thought I was bad, but I always think, and then I'm not.
Those were the half-pound targets. We're gonna step up to the 1-pound targets and we'll step up from there.
Whoa! You felt that?
Yeah. That's cool.
Let's check it out. Woo!
Did you see that? Stick go over there?
That was fun.
That was awesome.
All right.
Oh man.
This
one comes with a baggie, where you can shake it up in the baggie and then pour it all.
So take out the bag. And pour this in. Try not to spill it anywhere. A lot of times I just hover it over like that. Like so. Oh, well, we have to pour the contents back in. But
Yeah.
Good for now.
I'm gonna pick up some trash. See over there.
Okay, so we decided to move to a different location to get a different effect and shoot it with a different rifle.
So instead of the AR-15 and 223, I'll be shooting a little bit further. We're gonna use a 7 rim mag, quite a bit bigger round, and try out our new Hunter by Magpul. It's the Magpul, I think 700 Hunter stock. So it should be pretty comfortable to shoot, and give it a shot.
Let's have some fun. Here, this is compared to, well, this is a 9mm. This is a 5.56. Pretty big difference there.
Yeah. And then the new stock has a detachable magazine, which is really cool. Five rounds, but I think they make a larger one. Maybe a 10, but I'm not sure. But pretty cool.
Dang, blew that tree up, dude. Wow.
With the scope, it's pretty easy to see. And actually, the gun didn't really kick that bad. Felt pretty good. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty loud. Went bang. Knocked a branch off the tree. I didn't even see what happened to the log or anything laying over the log.
Yeah, I didn't.
I think
either.
it just
There's so much smoke and stuff.
Yeah.
It just kind of.
pulverized it.
That was pretty cool, though.
Yeah. Yeah, left a crater. That wasn't there before.
What was that?
Game call.
Huh? What was it?
A game call. I was hoping you'd jump a little bit more.
Got reflexes of a cat.
Yeah.
Or no reflexes at all.
Big
What
old
was
fat
that?
cat.
Oh man.